Hi, it's Jenny from Forest of the Stars. I'm at the other end of the terrace. I forgot to show you the other goodies here. Derek's made a comfy bench and we have a box for putting all the outdoor shoes in. And at the other end there's a table if you want to write, to read, whatever. And it's somewhere that is absolutely beautiful to meditate of an evening. Just sitting down and looking up at the treetops. Yeah, if you like trees, you're going to love it here. Anyhow, that concludes our little tour of the guest accommodation at Forest of the Stars. Sending you love and magic from the Sova nest to your hearts, and hope to see you soon. Bye. Mwah.